First of all, thanks for being part of this video. In this video, we are going to see the day 65 daily score booster questions, and it is starting with the simplifications. Let's start and do the simplification questions. Here I am not going to explain these questions. First question, 83.33 percentage means this is 50 plus 33.33 percentage. So 50 percentage of 5292 means 2646. Okay, 33.33 means 1/3. 3 1 times, 3 7 times, 3 6 times, and 4 times. So this is what we get, 10 11. This will be 14 4. So 4410 for this one, minus 25% means 1/4. 3 7 4 4. 9 times 36, 14 means 3 times and 6 times, minus 936 equals to x square minus 33.33 means 1/3 of 378. 3 1 times, 2 times, and 6 times. This comes this side with plus 126. 6 and 6 eliminates. We have 3 and 3 eliminates. So what we have is 45 minus 9. 45 minus 9 we get 36. 3600 whole equals to x square. So x value is 60. So option C is our answer. First one option is C. Second question, root over 2916. So the answer for this one will be 2454. Root over 729, which will be 29 27 1600 40. So 11. This will be 8 plus 4 12 121. 121 equals to question mark square means x value is 11. Option B is the answer. Next, third one, 7 divided by 16. 7 divided by 16 into 1552. 16 8 times, 16 9 times, 144. 112 is remaining, and 9 7 times, 16 7 times. 7 7 times 49, 7 9 times 63 plus 4 67, 679. 3 by 7 into 69009. 7 9 times 63. 60 means 8 times 56. 49 means 7 times. 3 7 times 21. 3 8 times 24 26 27 29. So this is what we get, sum of these two. And here we have x into 4 into 13. So what we have is 0. This will be 13 14 10 16 3640. 4 9 times and 4 1 0 10 times. Okay, 13 70 times. So x value we get is 70. Option C is our answer. Next, fourth question, 14.28% means 1/7. 1/7 of 553. This will be 7 times. 49 63 means 9 times 63, minus 11.11% means 1 by 9. 1 by 9 of 801. 7 8 times 72 and 9 times 81. So subtracting these two we get a minus 10 plus 24% of 960. So 24 into 960 divided by 100. 0 0 cancel. We know this 96 as 24 into 24. 24 4 times. So this will be like this. We have 24 times, which will be 576. 576 into 4 or else 2 by 5. 576 into 2 times, which will be 12 14 15 10 11 1152 divided by 2 divided by 5. So 5 2 times 10, 5 3 times 15, and 0.4 times. So minus 10 plus 20.230.4 means we get 2 to 0.4 is our answer. So answer is option B. Next one, fifth question. Here we see mixed fractions. So 6 plus 16, 22, 22 minus 7. 22 minus 7 will be 2 minus 5, 15. 15 plus 25, which will be 40. So what we get here is 40 of these numbers. Next one is 7 divided by 9 plus 2 third minus 4 third plus 1 by 9. Here denominator is 9, so 7 plus 1, which will be 8 by 9. Here denominator is 3, 2 minus 4 will be minus 2 by 3. So making this 3 as 9 by multiplying it with 3. 8 minus 6, which will be 2. So 40 into 2 by 9 is the answer. So option C is our answer. Okay, simplification is over. Now we are going with the quadratic equations. Let's deal with the quadratic equations. First question, 288, 16, 18 times is 288. Plus and plus means both the roots are in negative. Next one, 240. 240 means 16, 15 times is 240. Sum of these two we get 31. Plus and plus means both the roots are negative. Bases are equal. So by comparing these two, it is clear that x is lesser than or equals to y. First one answer is this one. Second one, here we have 288. Again it is 16 into 18 times, and here we have 4, means let's make this as 32 into 36. Sum of here we need to do difference of these two, we get the value of 4. So these are the roots, minus and plus. So the roots will be plus and minus, plus for the bigger one and minus for the smaller one. Okay, next one, here 270. 270 means 15, 18 times will be 270, and we left with another 3. So what we do is to get 57. Here we have 9 2 times. 9 3 times is 27, and 15 2 times is 30. So sum of these two we get the value of 57. So these are the roots. Minus and plus means both the roots are in positive. Here the bases are not equal, so we are multiplying this equation with 3 and this equation with 4. So we get 3 2 times 6, 3 times minus 96, 3 6 times 18, 10 108. So here 120, this will be 54, 2 times 108. Now comparing these two, it is clear that x is lesser than or equals to y. This is the answer for second question. Third question, here we see 7x square equals to 1792. So x square equals to 7, 2 times 14, 39, 5 times 42, 6 times. So x value will be plus or minus 20, plus or minus 16. These are x values. Next, y square. Here the equation for this one is 288, means the roots are y value, the roots are 18, 16 times is 288. Sum of these two we get 34. So the roots are plus and plus means minus and minus. Now by comparing these two, it is clear that what we get is 16 plus 16 minus 16, minus 18 and minus 16 are the roots. Comparing these two, it is clear that x is greater than or equals to y. Okay, this is the answer. Next, fourth question. Here we see 2.7. So we will multiply this equation with 10. We get 27x minus 16 equals to 0. 10 6 times, 16 times 160. 160 means 160. Let's divide this as 8 into 2 times, this as 5 into 2 times, or else this is 4 into 4 times, by 4 times 20 and 8, 28. No, 16 2 times 32. 32 minus 5 will be 27. So 32 and 5 are the roots. Plus and minus means both the roots are in first root is in negative, second root is in positive. So minus 32 plus 5 are the roots. And the second equation is y square minus 21y plus 80 equals to 0. So 80 means 16 5 times. So 16 5 times is 80. Sum of these two we get to 21. Minus and plus means both the roots are in positive. Here the base is 10. So we are making bases equal by multiplying this with 10. We get a plus 50 and 10 16 times 160. Now by comparing these two, it is clear that x is lesser than y. So this is fourth question. Next, fifth question. X cube equals to 3033 plus 2799. This will be 12 10 13 8 5832. X cube value is 5832 means x value is 18. Next, here we see root 3. So we divide 3 with 36 with 3 12 times. So we need to find the factors of 12 and we need to get 7 means for 3 times. And here we have root 3 and here also root 3. Minus and plus means both the roots are in positive. Okay, so what we left is this one. So how we compare is first we need to square x values and these values. So this will be 324. It will be 16 3 times 48. 3 square 9 3 times 27. Now we need to compare. If we comparing these two, it is clear that x is greater than y. Next, now we are going to deal with the wrong number series. We'll directly see the questions. So here is the wrong number series questions. First question 18.3 and these all have points. Let's multiply that with 10. We get 183 206 160 229 137 22 114. Okay, these are the numbers. Now we are going to see the differences. Here the difference between these two is 17 plus 6, which will be 17 plus 6, which will be 23. Here the difference between these two is this is plus and this is minus. 40 plus 6 46 minus 46. Here we see plus 9 and 69 plus 69. Here we see a difference of this will be 63 plus 29. 63 plus 29 will be minus 92. So difference between these two will be again minus of 5 1 1. So here we see a difference of plus 92. So there is a mismatch of here. See here it is plus minus plus minus. So it must be plus and minus. So these two are the wrong things, and in between them, which is 2.2, this is the wrong one. Next, second question. Here we see 4 and 11 nearly into 2 times, which is 8 plus 3. Here it is into 3 times 33 plus 4. So into 2 plus 3 into 3 plus 4, it must be into 4 plus 5. 7 4 times is 28, 12 and 2 14 148 plus 5, which will be 153 into 5 times plus 6. 5 3 times 15 plus 6, unit digit will be 1. So this is our wrong number. Next, third question. Here we see a difference of 34. Here we see a difference of 154 and this is 14. Here we see difference of 8. Here the difference is 4. Here the difference is 2. Here the difference is 1. So 1 2 times 2 2 times 4 2 times 8 2 times must be 16. 16 2 times 32. These two are wrong. So in between them, this is our wrong number. Next one, fourth one. Here it is clear that it is into half times, which will be 4.5 plus 0.5. Here it is into 1 plus 1. It is into 1.5, which will be 9. 9 plus 1.5 will be 10.5. So into 1.5 plus 1.5. This is into 2, which will be 21. 21 plus 2, 23. It is into 2.5 plus 2.5. 23 2 times will be 46. 0.5 into 23 will be 1.5. Okay, so some of these will be 0.5 and 7, 5, 57.5 plus 2.5, which will be 60, not 61. 60 into 3 times 180. 180 plus 3 will be 183. So this is our wrong number. Next, here we see it is into, wait a second, it must not be into. We'll see the differences. Here we see a difference of 1. Here we see a difference of 4. This is 20. Wait, 30 is the difference here. Here we see a difference of 13. Here the difference is 5, and 17 minus 5, 125. So this is 1 cube, this is 2 cube, it is 5 cube. So it must be 4 square, and it must 3 square, and it must be, wait a second, it is 1 square, 1 cube, it is a 2 square. This must be 3 cube and this must be 4 square. So these two are wrong. So in between, this is our wrong number. Next one is, here we clearly see that it is into 2 times. These are missing number series. It is into 2 times, 14. 17 2 times is 34. Okay, next here we see plus 2 plus 3, 5. So 2, 5 means it must be plus 3 into 4 times. So 34 plus 3 will be 37. 7 4 times is 8. So the answer for this one is 37. Option C is our answer. Next, second question. Here we see a difference of 15. Here the difference between these two is 24. 24 plus 11 will be 35. Here we see a difference of 5, 9. So the double differences is 20. So it must be 55. Here it must be 75. So 111 plus 55 will be 166. So answer is option B. Next, third one. Here we see we get 0.5 here. So it must be multiplications. It is into 1.5 times. 26 plus half of 26, which is 13, we get 39. So here we see, here we don't see into, here we see plus 3. Here we see into 105 becomes 369, means it must be 3.5, and 2.5 we see 2.5, so it must be 3.5. So here it must be into 2 times, and here it must be plus 1. Wait, it is into 2.5, it is plus 2. 39 plus 2 will be 41. 41 2 times will be 82, and half of 41, which will be 20.5. We get 102.5. So 41 is our answer. Option B is our answer. Next, fourth question. Here we see the difference between these two is 48. Here the difference between these two is 59 plus 5, 64. So these looks like this is 8 square, this is 8 into 8, 8 6 times. So it must be 8 4 times, 8 2 times, 16, 32. 45 plus 16, which will be 61. 61 plus 32, we get 93. So answer is 61. Option A. Fifth question. In this question, we see a differences here or what? Here we see a difference of 521 minus 1, 1 and 1, 111. Next, here we see a difference of 9, 0, 109. Here we see difference of 701, so minus 107. So here it must be the difference of minus 105. Here the difference of minus 103. 945 minus 103 will be 24. This will be 842. 842 is our answer, option A. Now we are going to see, so 842 is our answer. These are the speed math questions of quants. Now we are going to deal with reasoning. Let's see the reasoning concepts. Now we are going to deal with reasoning. First we see with the reasoning puzzle. Unknown number of persons are sitting around a circular table facing inside the center. Okay, K sits third to the left of I. So unknown number of people are sitting around a circular table. Let's take a circular table. K sits third to the left of I. Let's note the rough statements. K third to the left of I. D sits fifth to the right of K. D sits 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth to the right of K. Okay, one person sits between D and A. One person sits between D and A. Next statement. 5 persons sit between H and M. H and M, 5 persons. Okay, this is also completed. As many persons sit between M and B as between B and F. As many between M and B as between B and F. J sits 7th to the left of F. So J 7th to the left of F. 7 persons sit between B and I. B and I in between 7 persons. Next one. H sits 6th to the right of A. H 6th to the right of A. Okay. And faces K. It means H faces K. So let's start with this one. H faces K. H faces K. We're going to start from this one. We have completed all the statements and these are the rough statements. We need to find our solution using these rough statements. Let's see this one. Here we have K. Here K 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth one is D. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth one is nothing but D. Okay, we got D means we can place A. But maybe A here or out of D. Maybe the possibility of A here. So we get two possibilities. Okay. K. Here we see again and the statement which represents K. K is third to the left of I. So 1, 2, this is the place for I. So according to this one, we cannot able to place A here. So there is only one place for A, which is here. Okay. So we got this one and this one. And we reached here. Here we have one more statement. A right side sixth one is H. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sixth one is H. Okay, this is completed. These two are facing each other means it is a half part and it is a half part. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 people are sitting in this side. So here also 12 persons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 people are also sitting in this side also. Okay. H and M in between 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 people are sitting between them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We cannot able to place M here. So there is only one place for M. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the place for M. Okay, this statement is also completed. This is already completed. Completed. And we have B and I in between 7 persons. Here we have I and B. So we'll take B in this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This might be B, or else we can place in this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the place for B. So we got two possibilities for B, and we said that as many people between M and B as between B and F. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 between M and B means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Between B and F, it is not place for F. So this case of B fails. So this is the only place for B. So M, B in between one person. So B and F, this is the place for F. F left side, seventh one is J. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Seventh one, this is seventh one, which is J. So this is the solution of our puzzle. Let's see the questions that are asked. Who among the following person sits fifth to the right of J? Fifth to the right of J means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B. Option C is our answer. Next, second question. F is related to K. F 1, 2, third one is K. H is related to J. H 1, 2, third to the right is J. Okay. Then who among the following is related to I? I is related to K. K third to the right is I. So answer will be K, option A. Next, third question. Which of the following statement is or false as per the given arrangement? Talking about false. J and I are facing each other. This is J and this is I. H and J in between 2. K and I in between 2. So they both are facing each other. Okay, but it is true. It is not false. Only 9 people sit between H and F when counted from the right of F. H and F, 9 people are sitting in between them, right of F. There are so many people sitting right of F. So this is the false one. Option B is the false one. Okay. Next, we're going to see question number 4. How many people sit between F and A? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 people sit between F and A when left of A. Okay, 9 people. Option E is our answer. Next, fifth question. 4 of the 5 are alike. H and J. H third to the right is J. Next, F third to the right is K. Okay. J third to the right M. M third to the right 1, 2, 3. It is fourth. So M and F is the wrong odd one out. So this is the wrong one. Option D is our answer. I and K. Here in between two people, it is talking about two people. In between there are two people. So even though the option D is the odd one out. Now we are going to see one more reasoning puzzle. Let's make some space for this puzzle. So here comes the space. Let's see, the second puzzle is 8 persons living on 8 different floors of 8-story building. Okay, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, the statements are: only 2 people live between Jay and Veer. J and Veer, there is only 2 people. Next one, Sid lives 3 floors above Veer. 3 floors above Veer means this is place for Sid. If it is Sid, then according to this one will be the J. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got 7 means let's take them first S here, one possibility, and another S place for Sid. Maybe this one. We got 2 possibilities. 1 to V, 1 to J, 1 to V, 1 to J. So this is the 2 possibilities we get from these 2 statements. Next one, Sid lives. Okay, this one completed. The number of people living above Raj is one more than the number of people living below Dev. So it is one statement given. Okay, only one person lives on each floor. Less than 2 people live below J. Less than 2 people live below J. Yes, it is true. No one lives between Adi and Neil. Adi and Neil are immediate persons. It means Raj lives 2 floors below Neil. Raj lives 2 floors below Neil means this one, Raj. Okay, now we need to find the solution for this puzzle using these rough statements. Here we need to take n dash Raj. So the place for n dash Raj, either here or n dash Raj, we have 2 possibilities. Let's see. If we take n here, then this is a place for R. For R, it is given that number of persons above R, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 people minus 1, which will be 3. 3 below D, 1, 2, 3. Here we cannot able to place D. So we cannot able to place N and R here. So only place for N and Raj is this one. Raj above there are 7 people. 7 minus 1, 6 people. 6 people below D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 below D. So this is what we get. Okay. In this case, if we place N here, this is place for R. N, R. There is 2 people above R. Means 1 minus means we get only 1. 1 below Dev. This is Raj. Okay. These are the 2 possibilities we got. We cannot able to place here N and R because R above 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We cannot able to place D. So this is the only possibility we get from second one. So we have 2 possibilities. Next one is A and N are immediate. So this is the place for A. Here there is no place for A. So this case fails. Only left with this one. And the last person left, which is Ravi. 6th one is Ravi. So let's see the conclusions. Let's see the questions that are asked. This is the solution of our puzzle. If Sid and Adi are interchanged, let's it be Adi and this be Sid in their positions, and Dev and Neil are interchanged. Dev and Neil. This is Neil and this is Dev. Ravi and J are did the same. This is J and this is Ravi. Then who among the following persons live exactly between Adi and Sid? This is Adi and this is Sid. Who is exactly between means J. Answer is J. Option B is our answer. Next, second question. Who among the following person lives on the 6th floor? Ravi. We don't see Ravi here. So either A or C is our answer. The one who lives immediately below Sid. No. The one who lives 2 floors above Adi. Yes. So option D, option C is our answer. Next, third question. Which of the following pair of people are living on the prime numbered floor? Prime number floor means Ravi and Sid. Ravi is even number. Adi and J. Adi is a prime number. Dev. Adi is a even number. Dev. Dev is a prime number, and Raj is not a prime number. Veer and Neel. Veer prime number. Neel is also prime number. So answer is option D. Next one. Raj lives on which of the following floor? Raj lives on floor number 1, first floor, option A. Next, fifth question. Which of the following statement is false? Okay, no one lives between Ravi and Veer. Yes, it is true. It is true one. Adi lives on fourth floor. It is also true. Dev lives 4 floors above Neil. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is also true. As many people live above Sid as below, or above Sid below Raj. It is also true. So none is false is our answer, option E. Now we are going to see inequalities. Inequalities, the concept we use here is the flow method. If we see a symbol like this, the flow from this side to this side. If we see a symbol like this, the flow from this side to this side. Okay, let's see through the questions directly. The flow from I to A. From I we can reach to W. From W we can reach to A. So first conclusion will be true. Second conclusion, the flow from W to Z. From W we can reach to I. From I we can reach to Z. Here we see equal to, here also we see equal to, but here in conclusion we don't see equal to, so this is false. Third conclusion, the flow from C to B with everywhere equals to. From C there is no flow, so third conclusion is false. Now we are going to see second question, the flow from A to W with everywhere equals to. From A we can reach to T and K, but cannot able to reach to W, so first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, the flow from P to K. From P we can reach to Z. From Z we can reach to A. From A we can reach to K. So second conclusion will be true. Third conclusion, the flow from Z to V. From Z we can reach to A. From A we can able to reach to K, but cannot able to reach to V. So third conclusion is false. Now we are going to see question number 3. The flow from A to B. From A we can reach to O or M. From M we can able to reach to B. Here is equal to, here is equal to. So here it is not individually, these two fails. Individually 1 and 2 fails. But combiningly these two we have A greater than or equals to B. And we see the same in our question also. So the answer first we have is either 1 or 2 is for sure. Let's see third one is true or not. The flow from D to M with everywhere equals to. From D we can reach to P. From P we can reach to M with everywhere equals to. So answer for this one will be 3 follows and either 1 or 2 follows. This is the answer for this third question. Next, fourth question, the flow from T to W. From T we can reach to X. From X we can reach to W. First conclusion will be true. Second conclusion, the flow from A to S with everywhere equals to. From A we can reach to W. From W we can reach to S. Here is equal to, here is also equal to. Second conclusion is also true. The flow from X to I. From X there is no flow. From X we can reach to S and W. From W we can reach to I. So it is also true. Third conclusion is also true. All three are follows. Fifth question, the flow from A to B. From A we can reach to V. From V we can reach to K, but cannot able to reach to B. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, the flow from T to Q with everywhere equals to. From T we can reach to F. From F we can reach to B, but we cannot able to reach to Q. So from T we can reach to A. From A we can reach to Q. K, V. From V we can reach to Q, K, but cannot able to reach to Q. So second conclusion is also false. Third conclusion, the flow from K to F. From K there is no flow. So third conclusion is false. Now we see syllogisms questions. Syllogisms questions. First question. Only a few Tuesday is or Friday. Only few Tuesday or Friday. No Friday is Sunday. Only a few Sunday or Monday. Some Monday or Wednesday. Let's see conclusions. Some Monday or not Friday is a possibility. Leave is a possibility. All Monday can be Friday. All Monday can be placed inside Friday. It is not possible. All case fails means some not case will be true. And true is a possibility. No, false. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, no Tuesday is Monday. So we check some Tuesday can be Monday. Some Tuesday can share with Monday as it is possible. Some case possible means no case will be false. Third one, all Wednesday or Sunday is a possibility. All Wednesday can be Sunday. Inside Sunday it is possible as it is possible. Third one is true. Okay, let's see second question. All QX, all Q are W. Only a few W are P. No P is G. Only G is B. So B is inside G and doesn't share with anything except G. Let's see the conclusions. All G being O is a possibility. Wait, it is Q. All G being inside Q. Is it possible? No, it is not possible because of the B. So all case fails. First one false. Second conclusion, some G are not W is a possibility. Leave possibility aside. All G can be W. All G can be W. All case fails. All case fails means some not case will be true. True is a possibility. No. Third one. No QX is PX. Some Q can be P. Some part of Q can share with P. It is possible. So some case possible means third case will be false. No case will be false. Okay, third question. Some nose is ear. No, all ear is tongue. Only a few tongue is hand. No hand is eyes. Let's see conclusions. Some nose is eyes. Some nose is, this is ear and this is eyes. Some nose is eyes. There is no direct relation between these two. So first conclusion is false. Second conclusion, some tongue is not eyes. We check all tongue can be eyes. All tongue can be placed inside eyes. It is not possible. All case not possible means some not case will be true. True is a possibility. No, false. Third one, no nose is eyes. Some nose can be eyes. Some nose can be eyes as it is possible. Some case possible means no case will be fails. Here we see some and no, nose and eyes. So the answer for this one is either 1 or 3. Either 1 or 3 is the answer for this question. Next one, fourth question. Only a few pears are orange. Some orange are a papaya. Only a few papaya are a lychee. All lychee are mango. Conclusions. Some not. So all pear can be papaya. All pear can be placed inside papaya. It is possible. All case possible means some not case will be false. False is a possibility means first one is true. Second conclusion, all papaya are lychee is not possibility. First we see all papaya can be lychee is a possible. All papaya can be placed inside a lychee. It is not possible. So second conclusion is true. Third one, some pear are not here not. So all pear can be orange. All pear can place inside orange. No, all case are not possible means this some not case will be true. Fifth question. No morning is evening. Some evening is afternoon. Only few afternoon is night. All night is noon. Conclusions. We see not. So all afternoon can be morning. All afternoon can be placed inside morning. No, it is not possible. All case not possible means some not case will be true. Second conclusion. All noon being evening is not possibility. All noon can be evening. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. All case possible means this is not possible means false. Third one. Some afternoon is noon. Some part of afternoon is sharing with noon. Yes, it is true. By this we have completed syllogisms also. Now we see coding and decoding questions. First question is the code for bank. Here we see fund bank. Fund bank is IJ and OK. Both are common here. So IJ OK is a fund bank. Here we see IJ in the first sentences. So here in this we see fund. So IJ is a fund. OK is a bank. So answer for the first one is OK, option A. Second question. What is the code for clerk interest? Here we see clerk interest in this one. We see profit in the first statement. So common thing is TU, eliminating TU. Branch. Is there any other branch? There is no other branch. So the answer must be following with these three. And here we see interest and interest. So interest is nothing but NU. NU is interest. So clerk might be EO or IU. So answer must be EO, NU or NU, IU. So we got two possibilities. Let's see the question. So answer is option E. Okay, which is B and D. NU, EO, NU, EO, D, IU, NU. Okay, we got the same. Next, third question. Profit manager. Code for profit manager. Here we see manager, and here we see profit. We don't get the profit. Profit value we have is TU. TU is profit. And asked about manager. Where is manager? Here we have bank fund. Interest, we already see interest, which is NU. We left with the KF, which is manager. So profit manager means TU KF is manager. So answer is TU KF. Option A is the answer. Next, fourth question. What is the code for WU? W and U. We cannot see WU in any other. So it must be the single word. Balance. So it must be balance. Account. So account balance. It must be answer for the account balance. WU must be account balance. So answer will be B or C. Option D is the answer. Next, what will be the code for bank timing? Bank timing. Here we have bank OK. Here we see OK in only option C. So option C is the answer. Next one. We're going to see miscellaneous questions of reasoning. How many such symbols are there in the above arrangement, each of which is immediately followed by consonant? Talking about how many such symbols, each of which is immediately followed by consonant but not preceded by symbol. Okay, symbol immediate next one must be consonant. Symbol immediate next one is consonant 1. Symbol next one is consonant 2. 3. So we got a 3. Option D is the answer. Next, second question. 4 of the 5 are alike. JM at the rate. JM at the rate. BI percentage. B I this side and percentage this side. Third one LGF. LGF this side. So according to this two, first one is the false, odd one out. So option A is the answer. Third one, if all the numbers are dropped from the above arrangement, which element will be fifth to the left of 11th from the left? Both are left, means subtracting. 5 minus 11 minus 5, which will be 6. Sixth from the left when dropping the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is M. So we don't see M option. So option E, none of these is the answer. Fourth question. CHM7. So CHM7, we see CH12 leaving 1 A at the rate and J M7. Okay, the next one given is B percentage. So after B percentage leaving 2, we get a GL. So option is GL, option D. Final one. How many such vowels are there in the arrangement? Talking about vowels, each of which is immediately followed by symbols and also immediately preceded by a consonant. So vowel preceding one must be consonant, after one must be a symbol. Let's see the vowels here. Here we see vowel, but before one is not a consonant. Here vowel, before one is not a consonant. Here we see a vowel, before one is consonant, but the next one is not a symbol. So there is no one. So answer for this one is none. Option A. So that's all for today. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe and click on the bell icon to get instant notification about my videos. Thanks for watching.